Hey there, welcome to my channel. Maintaining healthy, lustrous locks is a goal shared by many. One of the fundamental aspects of hair care is proper washing. However, there are common hair washing mistakes that, if not corrected, can lead to damaged, lifeless hair. In this video, we will explore these mistakes and provide valuable tips for a hair care routine that ensures your hair remains healthy and vibrant. So don't skip the video and watch until end. 1. Using hot water. One of the most common hair washing mistakes people make is using hot water. While a steamy shower can be relaxing, hot water can be detrimental to your hair. High temperatures strip the hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and prone to breakage. Solution: opt for lukewarm or cool water when washing your hair. This helps to maintain the natural oils that keep your hair healthy and shiny. 2. Overwashing. Washing your hair too frequently can lead to overproduction of sebum, making your hair greasier faster. Additionally, overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, causing dryness and damage. Solution: determine a washing schedule that suits your hair type. Most people can wash their hair every 2 to 3 days, but this may vary. Consider using dry shampoo between washes to manage oiliness. 3. Using the wrong shampoo. Choosing the right shampoo is crucial for hair health. Using the wrong type can lead to excessive drying, irritation, and other issues. Solution: select a shampoo that matches your hair type and specific concerns, such as dryness, dandruff, or color-treated hair. If you're unsure, consult with a hairstylist for recommendations. 4. Incorrect application of shampoo. Even if you have the right shampoo, improper application can still lead to hair problems. Common mistakes include using too much product and not focusing on the scalp. Solution: use a small amount of shampoo and concentrate on the scalp, where most of the dirt and oil accumulate. Gently massage it in with your fingertips, and let the suds run down your strands as you rinse. 5. Skipping conditioner. Many people skip conditioner, thinking it will make their hair greasier. However, this can leave your hair dry and difficult to manage. Solution: use a conditioner suitable for your hair type and apply it primarily to the lengths and ends. Avoid the scalp to prevent excessive oiliness. 6. Rushing through the process. A hurried hair washing routine can lead to inadequate cleansing and product buildup. Solution: take your time. A thorough wash includes proper rinsing, shampoo distribution, and massaging the scalp. This will ensure that you remove all dirt and product residue. 7. Vigorous towel drying. Rubbing your hair vigorously with a towel can cause friction and breakage. This can lead to split ends and weakened hair strands. Solution: gently pat your hair with a soft, microfiber towel or an old t-shirt to absorb excess water. 8. Using heat styling tools on wet hair. Using heat styling tools like straighteners or curling irons on wet hair can cause severe damage, including breakage and even burns. Solution: always wait until your hair is completely dry before using heat styling tools. Apply a heat protectant product before styling to minimize damage. 9. Neglecting hair masks. Hair masks are essential for nourishing and hydrating your hair, yet many people overlook this vital step in their hair care routine. Solution: incorporate a hair mask into your routine once a week or as needed. Look for products containing ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, or keratin for deep conditioning. 10. Ignoring scalp health. A healthy scalp is the foundation for beautiful hair. Neglecting scalp care can lead to issues like dandruff and hair loss. Solution: regularly exfoliate your scalp to remove dead skin cells and promote hair growth. Consider using a scalp treatment or serum to address specific concerns. 11. Using sulfate-heavy products. Sulfates are harsh chemicals found in many shampoos that can strip your hair of its natural oils and color, leaving it dry and damaged. Solution: opt for sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners to preserve the integrity of your hair. These products are gentler and help maintain your hair's natural moisture balance. 12. Ignoring water quality. The quality of water you use to wash your hair can affect its health. Hard water, which contains high mineral content, can lead to product buildup and dullness. Solution: consider using a water softener or a clarifying shampoo to combat the effects of hard water. These products can help remove mineral deposits and restore shine to your hair. 13. Pulling hair tight while washing. Aggressively pulling and twisting your hair while washing or drying it can cause breakage and weaken the hair shaft. Solution: be gentle with your hair. Use a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush to remove knots, and avoid tight hairstyles that put stress on your hair. 14. Not protecting hair from the sun. UV rays can damage your hair, leading to dryness, color fading, and weakened strands. Solution: use hair products that contain UV protection, or wear a hat or scarf to shield your hair from the sun when spending extended time outdoors. 15. Avoiding regular haircuts. Skipping regular trims can result in split ends and unhealthy hair. Solution: schedule regular haircuts every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends and keep your hair looking fresh and vibrant. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.